a 200 game here? Is that what you are alluding to, Marvelous?
I don't know if the scoreboard can handle it as we see DeAndre All-Star Warriors. The last time a team had 4 All-Stars 2 years ago.
Move, Peter Rosenberg.
Size 22 upside the head for Khaled. That's nice.
Nice.
That is nice.
And I just
nice.
boomeranged it.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It was nice, but it wasn't electric.
Sweet and back. Bringing it back. What is the problem with you and Dwight Howard, man?
Stop it. I have no problems.
Come on,
Reggie.
man. He's not
Reggie.
here.
You see this?
Just under 8.5 remaining in this first half. Oh, Westbrook with the pass off